Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI test tools platform, which is AltText. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about AltText AI makes writing hot text effortlessly. It automatically generates SEO-friendly description for images in seconds and also supports multiple languages, making it perfect for blogs, e-commerce, and accessibility-focused websites. It's very fast, accurate, and integrates smoothly with platforms like WordPress and Shopify. However, while it saves a lot of times, the AI can misinterpret complex image, and also it's credit-based pricing, which may not suit heavy users. Still, if it is for quick, high-quality hot text generation, AltText AI is one of the smartest and most reliable tools in 2025. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.